Okay, interpolation. Now, when we talk about interpolation, it just means we are just estimating an unknown values. That is all. So that means that for you to estimate an unknown value from the steam table, one thing that you need to know is that you'll be given various values for maybe each of the parameters. Then maybe sometimes they can ask you to find a certain range from the parameters of the value being given, in which you can't find the other corresponding value to to the main parameter. So what I'm trying to say is that now at this point over here we have the enthalpy of each F here, maybe corresponding to something like, or maybe the temperature here. So you can see the temperature, and we are corresponding our temperature here to what? To our specific enthalpy. So you can have 102 here, 0.3, you can have 104.8. But in case you are asked to find 103 of the temperature here, with the specific enthalpy. How are you going to find for it? So for instance, let's correspond this one to this one to see. So for instance, I'm corresponding maybe so I'm corresponding from the temperature here. So from the temperature here to the this, then with this also corresponding to this one too as well. So maybe in case you are asked, so maybe you have the TS, we have the HF here. Then we're giving this one to be your 102.3, 104.8 here. What is corresponding? So corresponding is 429 and 4392 as well. So how do you go by? So in case in this a question is being given that you're supposed to find for 103, okay, 103 here. So that means it's corresponding, we don't know. So that's when we now use interpolation to what? Estimate or find the unknown values over here. Now, how do you go by? Anytime you want to solve a question like this, first of all, anything that will go on here will be the same as exactly the same thing over here too as well. So for instance, let's see. We can subtract this from the whole of this. Okay, so first let's see. So we subtract the 103 from 104.3 minus 103. Have you seen it? So this from this side, which is equal to the same thing as this. So we're going to have 439 minus x here. So minus x. So we are done. Subtract this from this. After you are done, then you now divide it. Then subtract these two from this again. So I'm going to subtract, so 103 minus what? 102.3. So there's 3 here. And the same thing, subtract this from this. So this is going to be x minus 429. So let's subtract this one. So if you subtract 104, okay, 104.3 minus 103, what are you going to get? So 104.3 minus 103. So I think you're going to have 1.3 over here at this. So you're going to have 1.3 on, then the next one, 103 minus 102.3. We're going to get 0.72 as well. So we're going to have 0.7, which is equal to 439 minus 3 on what? On x minus 429. We divide this by this. So you have 1.3 divided by 0.7. So you now have, alright, so you can easily multiply this by this exactly. So you're gonna have something like 1.3, okay, divided by 0.7. So you're gonna get 1.2. You're gonna get 1.8. So let's make it two decimal places. So we have 1.86 here, which is equal to 439 minus x on what? X minus 429. So as you make here 1, so this multiply this, so we're going to get 439, okay, minus x is equal to 1.86 multiplied by x minus 429. And next, you can bring this to the top, so you can make it like so 439 minus x is equal to so you're going to have 1.86x minus, you multiply the 1.86 by 429, you're going to get 797.94. Now you bring this here, so this becomes 439, this will come here, plus 797.94 is equal to 1.86x. So if this is here, this one comes here, becomes plus x here. So at the end of the day, we have 4.439 plus 797.94. So you're going to get 1236.94 is equal to 2.86x. You divide both sides. So you're going to have 2.86x is equal to 1236.94. So divide both sides by 2.8. This side by 2.8. This cancels this. Alright. Don't forget your 6. Alright. So now we're going to get x is equal to, so you divide both sides. So you have 1236.94 divided by 2.86. So that means at this point we're going to have 4, 3, 2 point. So we have 4, 9, 7. So that means that at this point over here, we had it into this 4. So that means that if here is 429, here is 439. So let's see. That means we have 432. Alright, so that means from here we have 432 at this what? At this point over here. So here it will be equal to what? 432.496. Thank you.